Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer your Google Photos to another Google account. And this is quite simple. First of all, we need to select the photos that we want to transfer. So let's say if we want to transfer this photo, this photo, this photo, or let's say we want to transfer this photo to this photo, then hold Shift and select the most down photo and the most upper photo, and then you have all your photos. Then from here we click here on the share button, just like this, and then we do create link. Then we do create link, and right now here is the link, and then we click here on copy. Then what we need to do is open a Google account with another Google account. So let's say this Google account, the green one, and then we paste it just right here. Then you will see here all your pictures and all your photos. And then what you need to do is go to this cloud just right here and click on save photos. Right now he will save all these photos on my Google Photos account, and right now if I click this away, I can remove these photos. So move to bin, and right now I change the photos to my other Google account. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.